All right, so I'm going to be gluing down two foams to the back of this plate. I cut them to size using hot glue. Going to make sure that they're secure on this plate. I'm going to use the stand just to help me with displaying and adding the flowers. I have a different stand at the end. So greenery or eucalyptus, pathos, and baby's breath. Lots of greenery, that's my plan, and then I'm gonna have add some color to it, making sure I'm hiding all the foam that I can here to just camouflage it. So I'm adding some other type of greenery that I have. This, I didn't have a name for it. I finished adding all the greenery, and as I make the decor, if I feel like there's more greenery needed, I will go ahead and add the greenery. So now I'm gonna add my red roses, and I have this type of rose. It's bigger, and then I have a bush here that I'm going to take these smaller ones and add them individually. So I'm going to just add these to the decor. So the goal to adding these roses is just to add them in areas where they all complement each other. You don't want to put too much in one area. So you just take your time. Sometimes you just have to step back and look at it, take some out, add some more until you get the desired look. Okay, so I am done adding all the flowers. It looks great. It's really full and voluptuous. So hopefully it didn't make it too big for the stand, but we're gonna see. So I'm gonna clean up and display it. So this is it. What a beauty. Oh my God, I love doing this. It's so pretty. So this is the stand that I have. I will link everything I have here in the description box. Some of the flowers I had before, so I'll link similar items that you can use. This is an idea, so hopefully I influence you guys. Just remember to like, share, subscribe, comment below. Any question, I always answer my questions. Thank you guys so much for your support, and I will see you guys in my next one.